Greetings to everyone. My name is Ishel, my auditor, and right now I am going to read a poem entitled English Foolishness. If you pronounce head, dead, and beard, you'll hear the last word rhymes with did. And in this poem, you will surely find many items of this kind. For instance, dear and fear and here but beer, gear and tear but wear and tear, yeast and list and please but pleasant, mint and pit but sweet and great. The last word rhymes with freight and weight. Quite differently again is height, which sounds like bite, indite, and light. The next line should be read with care. The praying prayer says his prayer. Bean and lean and mean but mint. Note g in get, in gem and gent. Vice but crevice, advice and device. Lies but malice, police, concise. We say dreamt but also trimmed. The last word rhyming with stimmed. Grew and blew and knew but sue. Cow and row but sow and row. Measles does not sound like measure. The same applied to treason, treasure. Braid and made and laid, but said. Treat, but threat, and thread, but thread. First say danger, then say anger. Count, but country, southern, but south. Disguise, but bruise, youth, and haunt. Brook and brooch and brood, but blood. Hood, but mood, and food, but flood. Mint but pint, and kirk but work, dull and gall, and whole but full, lull and skull rather, but bull and pool, hour, flower, but tour and pour. We say bone and loan but gone, pronounce like dawn or down, tone and stone and throne but done, but don't, phone and home and scone but none. Now, reader, always bear in mind the difference between wind and wind. The latter rhymes with rind and kind. Can you pronounce without mistakes? MacLeod, Rachel, ache, petal, penal, one pant, slant, van, one, rabies, grand, and grant. I don't blame you if you can't. Thank you.